What's the meaning of anonymize? Anonymize. 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 Anonymize.
The term anonymize refers to the process of removing or altering personally identifiable information from data. This can include names, addresses, identification numbers, or any other information that could be used to identify an individual. The end result of anonymization is a dataset that can be used without revealing the identity of the individuals it represents. This is often done to protect privacy, maintain confidentiality, and ensure compliance with legal regulations. Anonymized data can still be useful for research, analysis, and decision-making purposes, while minimizing the risk of harm to individuals.